Good morning, Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate. Here in San Juan Del Sur, we are at the entrance of town. We have the entrance, the gas station there. Beach will be 2 blocks to the beach. So we are 300 meters to San Juan Del Sur beach. So here we have a very nice property with different units. One main unit here with two bedrooms, a restaurant, open area on the street of about 9 meters. There's some dorms and on the back also rooms. So it's a 8 bedrooms property that we're gonna visit. 9 bathrooms or toilets. So it's like many opportunities are possible here. So we arrive in the first room, bit dark. They disconnect the power, but we have here, you see 2 doors, 4 windows giving to the road. So any commercial area could be also subdivided to rent to their place. So before it was a big reception on large table here. There is 2 bedrooms on the side. The kitchen is here on my left. It will be dark, I'm not sure. Video will be very good. So it's a bit dark and yeah. It needs renovation and maintenance. So it's poor state. Okay, here we have the kitchens, collective kitchens, with the open bar on both sides, so you could serve your customers from the street, from inside or from the inside patio. So we are going to see in front of us 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3. It was before renting here for retail. So some area could be rent for businesses. Ice cream, hairdresser, so small bedrooms here. We are in the inside the patio, so it could be a parking or used as a garden. Nice area actually. We're gonna see a second room here. So basic room, could be used as a private rooms, as dorm. Small apartment could be. Some studio to rent. We go on the back part, so there is someone there always to take care of the property, be sure that no one comes here. 1, 2 bedrooms here. 3 bedrooms here, sorry, excuse me. Bit dark, I'm sorry. We're gonna go to the last bedrooms on the upper part. Some water area. So view of San Juan del Sur, we are facing south here. The west is on our right. So it needs, of course, to be restored. But here you have a larger room, ceiling fan, bathroom on the side. Simple bathroom, but it works. It's clean, simple, ceramic on the floor. Okay, so what will be my plan? Remove this fence on the road, close this area and open like a large patio area. Why not putting a pool in the middle? Put more trees, giving a bit of shade, restore this roof ranch and make it open. So it's not for rent, it's for sale. Price and information are on the comments below. Okay, it was a pleasure to be with you today. So next door to us we have the French bakery. We have also a place called Bagels and Bakes. It's nice to go there. I'm going out and I'm leaving with a cell phone store in front of us. Some other, there is a surf shop on the side, Tribu surf shops. There is also some clothes, etc. We are at the entrance of town and we are 300 meters to the beach. See you guys.